In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play music while playing Roblox. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Roblox and you need to go ahead and select more up in the top left, and then from here scroll down, tap on settings and open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to go ahead and find privacy and content restrictions, open that up and tap on communication, and you need to go ahead and actually turn voice chat off. So select experience chat and just make sure you have experience chat and direct chat turned off. As soon as you go ahead and do that, go ahead and back out and join whatever game it is that you want to go ahead and listen to music while playing. Let's just say we want to do Grow Garden 2. Actually, let's not do Grow Garden 2. Let's go ahead and do Battle Pet because this is, I think, the last Roblox game I made a video on. So we're loaded into the game itself right now. I'm then going to actually want to back out and open up my music app, which in my case is just going to be music, but you can do this with Spotify, whatever it is, it doesn't necessarily matter. Find the song that you want to play. For example, we'll do this Drake song right here. Go ahead and start playing it, but the best way to do this is by actually having headphones on. This is almost essential. It's going to work better every single time with headphones, but start playing your song so that it pops up in like your command center. Back out and then reopen up Roblox. So I'm just going to open up Roblox again. I'll be back in my game, and of course once I'm in my game I could swipe down from the top to open up my command center and hit play. But as you can see, if you swipe back up, it's going to stop playing. Like if I swipe back down, as you can see, it pauses it. You need to have some sort of like earbuds, for example, that have a play and a pause button. Essentially just get loaded in to your game and then hit that play button and it's going to start playing, and the process is that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.